And now Vietnam is home to more than 46,000 active foreign invested projects as of the end of April 2026, with total registered capital exceeding 543 billion US dollars, according to the Foreign Investment Agency.
Yes, Suneng. And as global manufacturers increasingly shift towards AI, semiconductor production and advanced industrial technologies, Vietnamese firms are accelerating investment in automation and digital manufacturing to strengthen their position in higher value supply chains.
From AI-powered manufacturing systems to automated production lines, Vietnamese firms are investing in technology to improve efficiency and meet stricter global supply chain standards. The push comes as Vietnam ranks among the world's leading performers in several innovation indicators, particularly in knowledge and technology outputs.
One of our products is the AI camera, which uses intelligent algorithms to support surveillance and security operations. Our ID card is currently among the world's most advanced smart identity cards, with high-level security features and a wide range of authentication and identification applications.
We focus on applying emerging technologies such as AI and IoT, while also developing semiconductor products. Our goal is to become a high-tech enterprise that helps businesses access larger global value chains.
For many Vietnamese companies, innovation is no longer viewed as a long-term ambition, but as an immediate business requirement. But according to experts, technology adoption alone will not be enough if domestic firms want to move further into higher value segments of global supply chains.
Vietnam needs deeper development based on science, technology, and innovation. That requires three key changes in the next phase. First, reducing systemic cost, especially in logistics, energy, and compliance. Second, upgrading the workforce to technical, digital, and process management roles. Third, strengthening links between the FDI sector and domestic businesses.
Firmly ranked 44th on the Global Innovation Index, Vietnam is attracting a new wave of foreign investors. To capitalize on this, Vietnamese firms are investing in emission reduction technologies and integrating directly into R&D centers. These bold innovations are yielding tangible results, optimizing production and elevating local businesses into strategic partners within the global value chain. Minh Nguyệt reporting for Vietnam Today.
And many domestic firms are accelerating partnerships with foreign investors to strengthen innovation capacity and access higher value industries.
Yes, and as we can see across sectors, ranging from AI to advanced manufacturing, international and domestic businesses are increasingly collaborating on technology transfer, research, and digital operations as global supply chains become more innovation-driven. More to follow.
The shift is becoming more visible as foreign companies expand investment in advanced manufacturing, industrial AI, and semiconductor technologies across Vietnam. Many investors are now looking for local partners that can participate in research, digital operations, and technology development.
We would like for these young and innovative people to have access to our software technology and our tools, so that we can see what kind of a wonderful magic that they can do with such kind of tools. We are definitely open to working with local Vietnamese firms to develop AI agents or agentic AI.
That shift is also creating new opportunities for Vietnamese firms to participate more directly in technology development rather than lower value assembly work alone. Businesses are increasingly expanding cooperation with foreign partners in areas such as industrial AI, semiconductor technology, and digital manufacturing.
Large domestic firms sometimes face difficulties with operational procedures and administrative processes. But innovative startups like us are more flexible, allowing us to move faster, simplify procedures, and focus on practical cooperation. Through that, companies like ours can gain knowledge, build networks, and gradually move into higher value segments of the global value chain.
Changing mindsets is essential, from business leaders to employees. Companies need to rethink their approach from the beginning, build long-term strategies, and be willing to invest in innovation. At the same time, businesses should strengthen cooperation with foreign partners and work with global companies that have complementary strengths to jointly develop specific products. In my view, companies should also be given greater access to public assets so they can provide services and better support innovation-driven businesses.
Vietnam attracted more than 18 billion US dollars in newly registered foreign investment in the first 4 months of 2026. For Vietnamese firms, the next phase of competition will depend not only on production capacity, but on their ability to absorb advanced technologies, participate in joint research, and build long-term innovation partnerships with international companies.